Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create timeline on Excel, updated. Start by listing tasks, start dates, and end dates in 3 adjacent columns to structure your timeline. Next, format the date column as a proper date type and sort tasks if needed. Then insert a stacked bar chart and map durations to the bar series. I will walk you through formatting, color choices, and tips for readability. To build the chart, convert your table into a chart-friendly layout and insert a stacked bar chart to visualize tasks. Use a helper column for start offset and another for duration so bars float on the timeline. Format the horizontal axis to show dates and adjust the minimum and maximum to frame your project. I will explain axis scaling, bar spacing, and how to add labels for clarity in a friendly, stepwise way. Polish your timeline by applying colors, adding data labels, and aligning bars for readability. Use conditional formatting on your table to flag high-priority tasks or milestones before charting. Adjust font sizes, grid lines, and tick marks so the dates remain legible when projected or printed. I will cover saving a stylish template and quick tweaks that make your timeline look professional without extra design tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.